Hi everyone. So this is regarding assignment 2 of social data mining techniques, where I'm gonna present about tools and techniques for real-time data collection. Where I'm gonna showcase the use case for the two libraries for Reddit and Twitter. So talking about today's agenda, where I'm gonna describe about the flow of the application. So first of all, the looking at the agenda, first of all we are gonna collect the data from the any social media platform like Twitter or Reddit, and using our web application we are gonna post the post one of the post on Twitter or Reddit. Either we're gonna tweet or post on Reddit. After that we are gonna store the all the posts till now that we did on Reddit or Twitter, that we are gonna store into MongoDB, that is our remote database. And I'm gonna also explain about the web application that I've made for this assignment. So this is the workflow of the application. In the first step, I am collecting all the data from Twitter and Reddit. Then I am creating a data model. Then after filling all the details, like after filling all the rows and everything by using a Flask web application, I am storing those rows data into Mongo database. And also I have made that web application. So for this assignment I have used two social media platforms. One is Twitter and second is Reddit. So talking about Twitter social media platform, it is an American microblogging and social networking service on which users can post, interact with messages known as tweets. So basically the user can tweet, they can also retweet the post and everything. They can also comment, like, and everything. So Twitter was created by Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, Bill Stone, and Evan Williams in March 2006, and it was launched by that year only. So by coming to the next years, like in 2012, it got 100 million users. Like at that time, every day 340 million tweets were being happened at that time. And if you are talking about today's scenario, every day it's happening 1.6 billion tweets every day. So talking about the second platform, that is Reddit. So Reddit is an American social news aggregation, web content rating and discussion website, where there are plenty of communities on Reddit where you can post videos, images and everything on it. So for an example, like you can post on Reddit using like a community like politics, religion, or anything on science or fiction basis. You can also post on travel and technology purposes and everything. And originally Reddit was founded by University of Virginia. Those were the roommates like Steve Huffman and Alexis Ohanian with Aaron Swartz in 2005. So moving to the next slide. Here this slide depicts about the libraries. I have used two libraries for this assignment. One is Piro and the second one is Twippy. Piro is basically using for accessing Reddit API. So here it has written that Piro is a Python module that provides a simple access to Reddit's API. So it has been agreement with Reddit developer access and everything. So I can easily access all the Reddit's API. The second one is for Twitter. Twippy is a Python library for accessing the Twitter API. So it is a great simple automation. Like as we know that Twitter is being one of the topmost platform for Python users. Like we can perform algorithms and everything using Python and everything. So moving to the next slide, I have used these technologies. So coming to the first, like I have used technologies called Python, Flask, MongoDB, and for front-end purpose I have used HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. So talking about the first technology, Python. So Python is an integrated high-level language and so object-oriented language as well. And Flask, for the web application I have used Flask. So Flask is basically a microwave framework that is written in Python, and it is an API that of Python that allows us to build a web application. So it's an easier to learn because it has a less code. So as we have given two technologies, two libraries, Flask and Django, but I prefer Flask because I found a bit easier. And talking about a remote database, there were some options like Azure, AWS and Mongo, but I have chosen MongoDB. So MongoDB is based on a NoSQL database that is used for storing data in a key value format. Its working is based on the concept of document and collection. So basically you can make cluster there, and you can make a database, and in the database you can make a collection. So for this assignment I have created two collections. One is for Reddit and another is for Twitter. So it's also an open source, like it's easy to use and everything. So like once the person is, if he's not, it's not having an experience, hands-on experience, so they can easily have a grasp on MongoDB. So coming into the other three technologies, the other is HTML, Bootstrap and CSS. These three are for front-end purpose. So I have used these five libraries. The two that I explained earlier, that one is Firo and another is Tweepy. The third one is I have used is Flask. Flask is generally for like we are importing Flask, JSP request and render template. So as I have used Flask for web application only. PyMongo is basically for the connection between Mongo and Python. Request model is like I am requesting, like if I am using this reddit.html, then I need to request that model into my code. So that library is there, request.model. These are the two data models. One is for Twitter and one is for Reddit. And coming to the coding part, this code depicts about that how can we make a request, that how can we post the thing onto Twitter, and another thing is depicting about the how we can post onto Reddit. So let me jump to the Visual Studio screen so I can explain in a better manner. So it's already in running mode. So here is a web page of mine, like I have created into Flask application only. So here it is. So as you can see, this code is about web application code. So if you can see that this request has been made, this is post. So whenever I am pressing the submit button, this function will be called. So basically if you are pressing submit button, at that time this request being called. So if I am choosing here Reddit or Twitter, so based upon this radio button selection, that post is gonna be created for the relevant platform. So let me show you, like right now I am making a request on the basis for Twitter. So here I am entering message that using Twitter Flask, and message is hello world. So if we can see that here it is the code written for Twitter. So first of all, it's gonna call post Twitter function, where I am calling the Tweepy API, that is calling API.update status. So basically this calling API has been made earlier. So here you can see that 5 credentials are required. One is consumer key, consumer secret, access token secret, and the 5th one is screen name. Screen name is generally our username for the Twitter, and then we are gonna access using the pp.api. So auth is our this variable where we are passing access token and access token secret. So whenever in the initial phase when we are creating this application, at that time we needed to create this access token and access token secret for the particular application. And okay, so let's press the submit button here. So let me jump to my Twitter profile page. It's taking a bit time since it's refreshing. So here you can see this tweet has been made 22 seconds ago using Twitter via Flask. Hello world is the message. So let me explain in that part also that how I am performing this Mongo database session also. So when I am pressing the submit button, at the second time it's the second function is being called there, that is Mongo insertion, and inside that function I am passing one of the parameters, that is social. Social is like, as I told you, like there you can select either Twitter or Reddit. So this function is being called Mongo insertion, and here this function will call this else if loop, because else if condition as platform equal to Twitter. So there I am getting all the data till now. So basically, like, I have done like 13 to 14 tweets till now. So first of all, they will get all the tweets till now, and then I am looping into this function, that is Mongo insert Twitter. So where I am making one of dictionary. So on making one dictionary, I am posting that data into Mongo database. So let me show you that Mongo cluster. So here you can see these tweets that contains every tweet that happened till now, and let me refresh the page. So since it's refreshing, let me jump to the another social media, that is Reddit. So here I am entering title for the Reddit. Entering title and message. Here I am pressing submit button again. So let me jump to the Reddit profile screen. So here you can see that last post that I have just posted now, that is Reddit example. This post has been made from Flask only. So jumping to the code level. So this last time this if condition happened, where is the social equal to Reddit. So the same like Twitter, these two functions are one call. So for Reddit, I have used another credentials, that there will be different credential. I needed a client ID, client secret, username and password, which I have stored into client secret.json. So here you can see those all the 10 variables that I have created here, and I'm using into my Python file here. And yeah, for Mongo connection, we needed to apply these three variables, where we needed to provide this Mongo this connection string, and then database name, and then we needed to access this database by calling db.reddit and db.tweets, and I'm calling into this one of the variable here. Okay, so yeah, page got refreshed. So let's jump back to the last tweet we happened, this one. So using Twitter via Flask hello world, and here you can see using Twitter via hello world. So the same thing is happening inside Mongo database also. The same thing is being stored into Mongo database too. So talking about the other stuff about code, so let me talk about the HTML side. So this code is for this form. So first of all, I needed to import this bootstrap, since I have used bootstrap. So I needed to import in link, either link or either script via JavaScript, or via link you can import bootstrap. So here is the code for form, where I'm using into title and message. You just needed to fill all the details, like also CSS is also there. I have also applied external CSS here. And yeah, so root our root is for Flask is this reddit.html, and the other functions are Mongo insert Twitter and Mongo insert Reddit. And this is the main function which is being used for this is common function that is being used for Twitter and Reddit, that is Mongo insertion function. Okay, so yes, this is the flow of the application. Like from the Python application, it's being posted to the one of the social media platform, and at the same time, at the parallel time, it's being sent to the Mongo database. So this is the front end look, and this is the Reddit application that I have posted, and these are all the screenshots for that I explained to you earlier. And these are the references that I used for this code. So thank you guys, I hope you like this video.